Do you need help practicing and listening to English for your citizenship exam? Are you worried that you won't remember the answers? Well, worry no more. I'm that immigration guy, and in this video, I'm going to help you learn and practice the 9th set of 10 questions on the exam, questions 81 through 90. Please watch my other videos where I help you practice the other 90 questions, broken down into 10-question videos. Welcome to my channel. I'm Brent Newcomb. If you're new here, I'm that immigration guy, an attorney focusing solely in immigration law for almost 20 years. This video is unique. It is a learning tool to help you study for the exam. As I explained in another of my videos on how to prepare for the citizenship exam, there's a free resource book from the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service called Learn About the United States Quick Civics Lessons. You'll be given this book when you go in for your biometric appointment. I will be using this book as a guide for you. I'll tackle 10 question blocks in each video. I suggest listening several times to these videos and practicing along with me. I will read the question and then the answer with a little additional information. After I've gone through all 10, I will repeat just the questions and the answers one more time. Finally, I will repeat just the questions with a pause where you can answer yourself. Watch this video several times and you will pass that citizenship exam. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. To begin with, let's go through questions 81 through 90 and the answers, and I'll give a few tips with each question that may help you remember the answers. Question 81. Whom did the U.S. fight in World War II? Answer: Japan, Germany, and Italy. After the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, America was drawn into the conflict in Europe. The next day, President Roosevelt obtained a declaration of war from Congress. Soon after, the Axis declared war on the United States. The U.S. fought battles in Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Pacific Ocean. Remember, in World War II, we fought Germany, Japan, and Italy. Question 82. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? Answer: World War II. Before he became president in 1953, Eisenhower served as a major general in World War II, leading the troops in Europe, including the D-Day invasion in 1944. He also oversaw the end of the Korean War. Eisenhower served 2 terms as president. Question 83. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Answer: Communism. During the Cold War, America watched the USSR attempt to spread communism throughout the world. This led to conflicts in Korea and Vietnam. The Cold War lasted for more than 40 years and ended up with the fall of Berlin Wall in 1989 and the breakup of the Soviet Union in 1991. The Cold War was about the spread of communism. Question 84. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Answer: Civil rights movement. The modern civil rights movement started in 1954 when the Supreme Court ruled that racial segregation in schools was unconstitutional. The goal of the movement was for blacks to gain full and equal rights. Generally, the movement involved nonviolent strategies such as boycotts, sit-ins, and marches. Question 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Answer: Fought for civil rights. Worked for equality for all Americans. You should know both answers to this question for the test. Martin Luther King Jr. was a Baptist minister and a civil rights leader. He believed that every citizen deserved America's promise of equality and justice. He delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech in 1963 and received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Question 86. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Answer: terrorists attacked the United States. On September 11, 2001, 4 airplanes were commandeered by Al-Qaeda terrorists, a network of Islamic extremists. 2 planes crashed into the World Trade Center, one in the Pentagon and one aimed at Washington, D.C. It fortunately crashed due to the heroism of passengers fighting off the terrorists. This was one of the worst attacks on American soil in the history of the nation. Question 87. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Answer, Cherokee. You may also answer any of the following: Navajo, Sioux, Chippewa, Choctaw, Pueblo, Apache, Iroquois, Creek, Blackfeet, Seminole, Cheyenne, Arawak, Shawnee, Mohegan, Huron, Oneida, Lakota, Crow, Teton, Hopi, Inuit. Just remember to say the tribe properly, as many in Europe mispronounce the tribe, such as Cherokee, and don't say properly Cherokee. Each tribe in America has its own social and political system, language, beliefs, food, music, etc. We did sign treaties with the tribes, moving them onto reservations as the pioneers moved westward. Now, Indian reservations are recognized as domestic dependent nations. Question 88. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States. Answer, Mississippi River. You can also answer Missouri River. The Mississippi River is one of America's longest rivers, running through 10 U.S. states. It's a major trading route for shipping and goods. Question 89. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Answer, Pacific Ocean. This is an easy question that does need to be memorized. Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean in the world, touches our west coast. Question 90. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? Answer, the Atlantic Ocean. Another easy question will need to be memorized. On the east coast is the Atlantic Ocean, a major sea route for ships. The Atlantic Ocean. How is that? Not too bad, I hope. Now we'll get into a little more practice. Part 2. I will now read the question slowly. I will pause. I will then read the answer. Try to answer yourself during the pause. Ready? Okay. Question 81. Whom did the U.S. fight in World War II? Answer, Japan, Germany, and Italy. Question 82. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? Answer, World War II. Question 83. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Answer, communism. Question 84. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Answer, Civil Rights Movement. Question 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Answer, fought for civil rights. Question 86. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Answer, terrorists attacked the United States. Question 87. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Answer, Cherokee. Question 88. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States. Answer, Mississippi River. Question 89. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Answer, the Pacific Ocean. Question 90. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? Answer, the Atlantic Ocean. We're now at the final part of the prep. I'm going to ask just the question and then pause. Use the pause to answer yourself. Ready? Question 81. Whom did the United States fight in World War II? Question 82. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? Question 83. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Question 84. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Question 85. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Question 86. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Question 87. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Question 88. Name one of the two longest rivers in the United States. Question 89. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Question 90. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? That's it. How did you do? If you mastered these, please write down the word done in the comments below. I'd love to know how many people this has helped. One final thing, I do want you to remember I'm not giving you specific legal advice about your case with this video. Every single case is different. This is an informative video. For advice on your particular situation, please seek help from a qualified and experienced immigration attorney, such as me, that immigration guy. If you like this video, hit like below and please subscribe. I will be putting out regular content every few days. Share the video. If you need immigration advice, please contact my office. I'll be more than happy to help you. And remember, that immigration guy for your future immigration legal needs.